Are you tired of scrolling endlessly through a long, unorganized list in Microsoft Word? Maybe you're working with names, items, or data that you wish could just fall into order with a simple click. Well, you're in the right place. Today on Zimist Coded, I'll show you how to sort your long list in MS Word like a pro. Let's say you have a list of 50 names, completely random and definitely not in alphabetical order. Now imagine trying to find one specific name in that chaos. It's not fun, but there's a quick way to fix it. First things first, select the entire list you want to sort. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the text or simply pressing Ctrl-A if that's the only content in your document. Next, head to the Home tab on the ribbon at the top. In the paragraph group, you'll spot a button with an A above a Z and a little arrow pointing down. That's the Sort button. Click it. Now a dialog box will appear. This is where the magic happens. In the first dropdown, make sure Paragraphs is selected. That's because each entry in your list is treated as a separate paragraph. Then, in the Type dropdown, choose Text, since we're working with words. If you were sorting numbers or dates, you'd choose one of those instead. Next, decide whether you want the list in ascending order, from A to Z, or descending, from Z to A. For this tutorial, let's go with ascending. Once your options are set, hit OK, and voila, your list is instantly organized from A to Z. Now, take a look. Those 50 names are beautifully arranged, and finding a specific one is a breeze. Sorting in Word doesn't just save time. It keeps your work clean, professional, and easy to manage. Whether you're a student organizing references or an office worker managing data, this trick is a game changer. If this tip helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Zimist Coded, and share it with someone who could use a little word wisdom today. There's more where that came from. Until next time, stay smart and stay sorted.